So as you can probably tell from some of that footage, it was raining quite a lot a minute ago. I'm in Richmond Park, and with my mate Gary, and he's about to finish an amazing challenge that he's been doing all month. I think the sun's coming out.
I think we might be right. Yeah, I think we might be right.
It's happening, it's happening.
Something other than rain is happening. Got to throw everything at me on the last day.
I thought this was going to be a lovely ride.
But you're with a Scotsman.
Right mate, let's have a sit down, talk a little bit about what you've been doing. You have been in the videos before.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
It was a very long time ago.
And it was a really hilly, horrible ride.
My legs do remember it actually. You ripped them off.
So welcome to the bench, Gary.
Thank you, Francis.
It's my office. What I want to know is what you've been doing for the last month?
Yeah. For the last month I started on the 1st of June.
He's been doing a lot of riding for a very good cause. Tell me more.
I have been riding for a little girl called Isla Catton. A couple of years ago she was diagnosed with neuroblastoma, which is a very aggressive form of child cancer. The NHS, they don't provide any treatment, so her parents took the decision to take her further afield to the USA and Spain, where they have to pay for treatment. This isn't inexpensive, so you know, a lot of fundraising has to be done, and I'm just trying to do my little bit. Because of she's having to go to Barcelona quite a lot for her treatment, stay there for weeks on end to sort of show solidarity, you know, a theme for the ride or whatever. I'm riding from London to Barcelona.
How far is that?
1,600 kilometres.
And you've been trying to do it in the space of a month?
Yeah,
right?
Space of a month, and I am by no means built like your average cyclist, to be honest, so it's been hard going.
You're going to finish it today?
Yeah.
How long have you got left?
107 kilometres. If you know, you know.
If you'd done it last month, you would have had sun?
I would have been great to do it last month, but I was sat on the sofa last month like everybody else in the country, so decided that I had to do something. They needed to get their money, they had to raise money, so I decided to get back on the bike. And yeah, not every day, but most days I've been out, and it is hailed, it's been cold, the wind has been terrible, but I had 2 days of sun.
Love cycling. Naturally, I'll put all the information down below if you want to go and donate or do some riding to help out.
Yeah. What I want to try and do is get everyone just ride your bike. I mean, we all ride our bikes, right? So not everyone can afford to donate or not in a position to donate. So why don't you just ride your bike, post the fundraising link on your social media, and let's just all raise money and all do miles for Isla. Let's try and circumnavigate the world for her on Saturday. Back at you, why don't you do it?
20 degrees has never felt so cold. I came home, had a shower, and then just passed out because I was shivering in the park. I don't understand how it was that cold. And on the last day of his challenge as well. To add to the problem even more, my GoPro died. So I was happily filming loads of rain footage in the park, and it went from 80% battery to just nothing. It's not the first time this has happened, so I'm gonna order a new one. This is a Hero 7, I'm gonna get a Hero 8 and hope that it doesn't mess up. I tell you, the amount of cameras I get through to make this vlog, it's ridiculous. Now, I've known Gary for a while, even though he hasn't been in these videos very much. The challenge that he's done is even more relevant to him than you might think. He actually had cancer himself, malignant melanoma, so skin cancer in his back, which he discovered that he had in hospital 2 weeks after he'd just come to hospital for being in a crash where he was told that he'd never cycle again. So as you can see, going through a series of events like that really has given him the strength and determination to get through a challenge like this and hopefully raise some serious cash for Isla. He's just messaged me to say he's finished today, so congratulations Gary, you absolutely smashed the ride, so pleased for you. Like I said, I'll put the donation and the information pages down below if you want to go and donate, or if you want to do some riding. Tag some people, spread the word. It's an amazing cause. Now, I think today's video is a bit short. I blame this looked like a ghost story. Blame the rain for the short video. I'm going to spend today resting, recovering, and cleaning my bike because it's now covered in shit. Eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed a new bike in the background. It's not mine, it's Daisy's. And I'll be doing a full video on that bike soon. Also coming up, part 2 of having my legs torn off by a first cat racer. I'm heading out into the hills with Tobias tomorrow. It's going to be horrible. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.